The whole analysis for yesterday was completely negated. Not even a single one of our trade was placed. Why? Because everything went opposite of where we were heading to. The only lucky thing we were able to dodge was that this whole traders, all our trades from yesterday, our entry was not triggered, and because our entry was not triggered, or our trade, I call it the trade trigger. So since our trigger was not met, it broke the line. It came to retrace, but didn't give us our entry, and because of that, we did not place the trade. So we did not lose any trade yesterday, but at the same time, we did not place any trade. So I'm hoping that it changes today. So obviously, what I'm going to do is obviously find the trend for today and make our analysis based on those trends. So that's just it. So the first thing on our list, right, is that let's focus on USD. Let's analyze all the press, arrange all the USD pairs together. So hopefully with our Euro USD, USD card, USD, USD, JPY, AED, USD, JPY, NZD, USD. None of the other USDs are here. I don't think there's any other USD here. USD here. Then since all the USDs are there, let's put all the NZDs. AUSD first. Let's move this one down. NZD USD, which is Sterling, BRICS, NZD USD, which is Sterling, BRICS, these, right? Then after breaking the support or resistance zone, it comes back to retest this zone. Let's say for example, this is our entry. So this trade breaks this zone, comes out. Let me use this to explain it. So it breaks this zone, right? Comes back to retest this zone. But no matter what it does, while retracing, it does not cross the stop loss zone. Then it comes back to this place, give us our entry, which is it breaks here, right? Then another bearish or bullish candle opens, like for example, this is a bearish trade, so another bearish candle opens and closes below here. Once that is done, it's just you just know it's clearly bearish, right? You just know that it's just clearly bearish. But since that did not happen, obviously we have no other choice. But so it did all of this. It broke here, came to retest it, but it broke the stop loss zone. And as you can see, whenever it breaks the stop loss zone, the whole thing is negative, and it's no longer in our control. So except it comes back here and does the same thing all over again, this whole trade is not going our way. So once it broke here, we know it's also not going our way. So this is not what happened. It just broke, retest, but it did not come back to break the zone again for the second time. So that's why the trade did not go away. If you check, that's the same thing happened with USD card. Let me open it. USD card. It's see the zone here. So it broke it, came to retest. Wait, sorry, let me put it up. So so this was the original entry here. So it came here, broke. Let me zoom in so you guys can see it more. So it's oh goodness. So as you can see, this was the original zone, right? Then it broke it the first time, this with a week, and came back down. Now came back up here, but it was not a decent breaking, so it broke it again. Now this is a decent breaking, came to retest the zone, right? But as you can see, when it came to retest the zone, it did not just retest, tested and broke the stop loss. So whenever you see this, like it breaks the stop loss, this whole thing has been nullified. This whole setup has been nullified. If it came down and just stood around that stop loss or below, above the stop loss, but did not break it, you know it's safe. So as you can see, since it broke the stop loss, somebody would think now that it does not matter. We should just place our trade. After all, it was going in a very clean bullish movement. It broke the stop loss, and we did not, it was not disacknowledged. So when it came here, what was supposed to do as it broke this candle broke it, sorry. We're waiting for this very candle, bullish candle, for us to place our trade to the upside. Remember, this is our stop loss. This is our take profit up here. But you see why I could not take this very trade was because, as you can see, it would have actually not hit our TP. Why? Because it broke our stop loss. If it broke our stop loss, then there's no way it is going to hit our TP. Meaning it is more of the sellers are more in power. So we did not neglect it and it saved us. So we placed the trade, the thing got here, but it did not get here and just retraced and smashed our stop loss. You know what I mean? It smashed it with some kind of sort of bearish maneuver or something like that. So that's just it. So we're going to focus on placing new trades today. Let me just get straight into it. Time is now as I did 7:32. So this is bullish. Okay, let me clean our charts. Obviously, very important. Let's clean up the charts. Mm, let's clean up the charts. But I don't know if it's necessary for us to clean it up since we're still going to use it again. That's what is going through my head now. That's what's just literally going through my head. Is it necessary for us to, like, since we're literally going to do it again, like we're literally going to um use the line again, just for the cleanliness of the chart. Let's delete it all. Okay, control. Let's delete it all. Let's just clean up the charts. USD card is next. We'll just create new line. That's just the truth. Sorry, excuse me. So USD CHF next. USD CHF. USD JPY is next. Okay. AD USD is next. Um, GBP USD is next. What is the delay in loading it? I think the GBP USD, for goodness sake, needs to load. Okay, I think it has. We doesn't need to load too much to load fully. Oh, GBP ends in the we can control. Oh goodness, not this one. Control. Oh goodness, not this one. Okay. NZD JPY. I think it's NZD we ended it. We just want to clean up the charts before we. Oh, oh goodness, clean up. Okay. Wait, what? NZD JPY does not have the same on the here. I don't know. If you guys can hear me, can you guys hear me? Okay, it's working now. So, like I said, there was one that I didn't know. Clean NZD JPY. Was it clean properly? I thought as much. No. So I know out of the white data. So I think all is done. So let's check what is the trend. USD, let's check on USD. USD trending. Okay, let me clean all the alerts as well. Let me clean all the alerts as well. Let's clean up all the charts as well. So I know what we're working with. Now clean. Yeah. We are working on a clean environment. Euro USD. This is trending but way too far. But it's still a trending market. Could it be Euro? Nice trending. USD card is trending environment but it's too far. Let's see. USD CHF trending. Wait a minute. All these things are bullish. Euro USD is supposed to be bearish now. Okay, yes, it's bearish. Now USD JPY. Let's see. Trending ish bullish. So AD USD supposed to be bearish. AD is not bearish at all. GBP USD supposed to be bearish. It's not bearish at all. And then the USD bearish. Oh my goodness, I feel like all these things are showing some sort of change of structure. This is a double bottom, a clean double bottom. One, two. This is a double bottom, and I feel like this is a change of structure. I genuinely feel like this is a change of structure. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. What do we do? Nzende, yes, that is Nzende. AD Nzende. AD Nzende is bullish for. I can sense. Okay, if it breaks here, then it changes. It becomes a change of. But it's not broken it yet, so it's still bullish. AD Nzende. Nzende JPY is also the bearish. Nzende JPY. Why is the market like this? Nzende JPY. It's supposed to be bearish. This double bottom is serious. It's seriously bothering me. Seriously bothering me. AED, GBP and is also a bullish. Everything is fine in line. It's just that number one, they are too far from your this thing. Any finance aspect, with the way all these things are Euro NZD is showing a very clean change of structure. Like Euro is trying to be straightforward. Euro is trying to be so Euro is end of structure. So that means I might be right on this change of structure thing. Okay, Euro NZD, right? NZD around here. Let's see if that is the J peak of GBP NZD as well. Because if let it load up.